Don't get me wrong, but this bike costs more than 1.2 lakhs. Let me tell you why. And this bike is a perfect example that never judge a book by its cover. Because this bike has a Dior XT brake in front and Shimano Z, which is a downhill brake at rear. And this has a RockShox air suspension with rebound and lockout. This has a Shimano Dior XT in the rear and a SRAM crankset in the front. For the wheel sets, we have a Dartmoor Fortress rim with NX bike hub. With SRAM rotors and SRAM shifters with wake handlebar, this was Montra Madrock madly upgraded.